Things we wish we knew before going to Tokyo Disney Sea. Save this video para mas maging smooth ang Disney Sea experience mo. Number 1, arrive early. As in before opening time. Kahit anong season, mahaba talaga ang pila. Locals love Disney Sea so much. Marami sa kanila dumadayo at pumipila pa ng maaga sa mga paborito nilang ride. Number 2, may ipon ka naman? Buy Disney Premier Access. It costs around 2,000 yen per ride. Pero sulit to lalo na kung ayaw mong pumila ng 2 hours. Less time waiting, more time enjoying. Number 3, malaki ang Disney Sea, so plan ahead. List down your must-try rides and make an itinerary. You can check the ride list on their official website or official mobile app. You can also watch POV ride videos on YouTube. May video din kami na makakatulong sa inyo para malaman nyo kung worth it ba or overrated yung ride. Number 4, download the Tokyo Disney Resort app and use it well. Nung pumunta kami, meron silang 40th Anniversary Priority Pass. Parang DPA, pero libre. Time entry siya. And once nagamit mo na, after 2 hours, pwede ka ulit kumuha kung may available pa. Super helpful siya to skip long lines. Number 5, bring your own water bottle and refill. May mga free water refill station inside. Hindi lang tipid, pero perfect na rin lalo na kung summer sa Japan. Number 6, wear comfy shoes and dress for the weather. Promise, maglalakad ka ng malayo. And if you're visiting during summer, sobrang init. Use a hat, fan, or cooling towel. Or even buy one inside if di mo nadala. And lastly, don't skip the shows and parades. Hindi lang rides ang highlight sa Disney Sea. Their shows are world-class, especially the ones sa Mediterranean Harbor. Check the schedule in the app so you don't miss it. Yun lang, follow for more.